Suggestions that will work for any dog. We all love to ask for advice. Sometimes we ask about our children, or a house repair, or even financial situations. Asking for advice about dogs is also great, and this video is a perfect place to start. You'll find a ton of tips which really change how you view your dog. Start training your dog as soon as you bring them home. Create a vocabulary list that all your family members will use to command the dog and stick to it. Dogs can become confused if the same words are not used to give them directions. The dog will see "get over here" and "come" as two different commands. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. Check to make sure your dog's collar is adjusted properly by fitting two of your fingers comfortably underneath it and pulling gently. There should be just enough room to do this and no more, otherwise he may be able to wiggle out of it. Always keep it on, except during crate transport, as the collar can get snagged and injure. Keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy with regular brushing. Most canines don't mind you brushing their teeth, provided you introduce them to the process slowly and gently. Use a specially designed dog brush, along with other products made just for him. Remember to provide him with toys and biscuits that will also clean and protect his teeth. It is very common for objects to get lodged in the pads of your dog's paws. Check them regularly to make sure that nothing is in there. If you see something, be very careful about taking it out, or it may become lodged even deeper. It is wise to use tweezers for this. Be consistent when giving your dog commands. This is an area where a lot of dog owners have a problem, especially when you won't feed your dog from the table but your spouse will. Make sure that everyone in your home understands what's acceptable so that the dog will receive a clear message that will make him more likely to obey. You must learn how to introduce your dog to other dogs. Keep him on his leash during introductions so you have better control. Start with a walk-by while keeping his attention on you. Then, on the next walk-by, allow the dogs to sniff each other a bit. This will allow them to get to know each other without the dangers of attacks. Since you asked for advice, and now have received it, the next step is to put it to use. That means truly implementing what you have learned and then enjoying the rewards it brings. When you see your dog sleeping peacefully, bliss on his face, you'll appreciate putting in the effort. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.